हम यहाँ से खड़े होकर जब बात करते हैं तो हम पे हर वो असूल आ जाता है जो असूल हर इंसान को अपनाना चाहिए। हर असूल इंसान को ईमान का होना चाहिए। मुझे अक्सर कहा गया है कि आप किस तरह जेल गुजारते रहे, मैंने कहा अपने ईमान पे। अक्सर पूछते थे कैसे थे, मैंने कहा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अच्छे थे। और अभी भी किसी ने कहा कि मैं मेडिकली आउट हूं मैं अकेला हूं कि मैं मेडिकली आउट हूं? मेरी टीम लाखों में है और करोड़ों में है, मैं अकेला हूं।
President Zardari spoke at Gadi Khudabash today for Benazir Bhutto's 4th death anniversary. There were thousands of people in attendance, but we can't really say if they had come there for the public gathering itself or because it was because of their love for Benazir Bhutto. Because even in Zardari's own speech, he kept referring to Benazir Bhutto, and his defense was that people should put faith in the ones that Benazir Bhutto put faith in. I would say that this signifies that PPP still relies very heavily on the Bhutto name, even though they have been in government for 4 years, and they should have something more to offer than just saying that you should trust us because Benazir Bhutto trusted us. Bilaval's absence at the rally is sort of I would say that it wasn't a good idea not to have Bilaval there, because people like to see more of him, people like to hear more of him, people like to read more about him. They should have brought him there, but his not being there signifies that PPP is maybe planning some kind of bigger public gathering in the future where they want to bring Bilaval and sort of not take away from his appeal by bringing him at a rally which is not about him or the PPP, but is about Benazir Bhutto primarily.
It was extremely symbolic to have Ehtezaz Ehsan at the rally, who is seen as someone who was very close to Benazir Bhutto. So all those critics who've been talking about how the PPP has distanced itself away from Benazir's vision, and all of those people who were close to Benazir had been sidelined and the party has taken a direction of its own. I think this having Ehtezaz Ehsan come sit next to you and then speak at the rally was extremely symbolic.
और मैं आपको बता दूं एक छोटी सी मज़ाक का बात, एक एक्स प्राइम मिनिस्टर
direct attacks at
हाल ही में दुबई में मिले आसिफ,
which is not really surprising if you're reading the undercurrents when these parties have decided to join forces against what they feel is the establishment's drive against them. So it's not surprising, and even the attacks against judiciary are not very surprising, because that is the most potent threat that PPP feels it's facing right now, even more so than the army.